Let's see the quick demo of how to generate any video with the consistent character in Google Flow using BO3 model. So here I just generated on one video for me. Actually, I'm a hero over here, which I'm just saving the life of the world, which I'm saving the world, right? So let me see how look like. So simply I just play that.
In a world collapsing under broken code,
I must fix this before everything shuts down.
If I rewrite the core algorithm, I can stabilize the network. Warning, time is running out.
Initiating quantum patch. Hold together, world!
Every keystroke decides humanity's fate.
Stability restored. Global systems rebooting.
Yes! The program lives again.
One programmer, one code, saved the world.
See, this is the complete video I just created over here, right? Without anything, just giving the prompt and also just make that consistent video with complete story. So how we are proceeding, so that I would like to share with you. So before that, I'm especially recommend, if you first time visit my channel, so go to my channel, which is .NET Real World Example, and then here I just create another one which I just build our app, and where I just also create up videos, generate up videos with free BO3 model. So yeah, I'm especially recommend that. And also if you want to learn how is integration and AI integration in our app, and front end, back end, as a full stack developer, game development and all, so you can learn many things over here. So now moving to the implementation. So first of all, you have to record this BISC, so which is also completely free. So what you need to do, actually you have to create your character, right? So whatever character, so this is my image, and using my image actually I just create this character. So there is a flexibility over here. Either you can use this one or whatever you have, so you can use. But yeah, I'm refer to this guy because this have many things over here. Like for example, just I upload my this photo over here, and whatever consistent character I want it. So like I just want this background, right, along with this character who was standing the laptop and all, right? So as like see over here, this is that here. So how we can get those prompts, scenes and audio and all. So for that also you can just simply go to ChatGPT or any of that Copilot and all, right? So simply I can just write this prompt over here, right? So create a short story prompt which can have scene and dialogues that can create a video from Google Flow using frame to video, making max 40-second video prompt with the character which can save world to help computer programming. Each video dialogues and scene should be on a 8 second, right? So just whatever things you want, you can just prompt it here. So once you keep that, now see, they are just writing a story over here to 40-second with the 5 scenes. Each scenes has this one, okay? And also see, as I generate this, so one thing I just miss over here, there's a no character, right, which are saving our world, right? And that is also should be consistent. So that actually I need, so that was missing. So after that, what I did, so in here see, visualization character, mention character who has the hero and story that easily create visual using prompt, keep the character consistent to each videos, right? So so you can just modify this, okay, like whatever you want after this things. So once you're done, now see, now I'm getting this character over here. So this is that character actually, which is name of area, right, which is wearing this cyber jacket and all and whatever things. So in this area, now see, every scene actually they mention that area what they're trying to do and with their dialogues. So this is the dialogues, this is a computer dialogues, and this is your hero dialogues, whatever the characters. So I just create these scenes, right? So once you generate your scenes, now you can just use that visualization, right, and you can just create your character over here, and you can just create first scenes, right? So this is the first scenes which have that person along with the holding computer along with this wearing jacket and all, and this is the world scene which have the some error and all, which is which is need to save it, right? So first take at this one. So in creating a video, you have to go to this one, like lab google.flow, right? And in here, this is that option, right? So create your flow, create a with flow. So click on that. Once you click on that, it will landing a new project, new site, right? And in here you can see that lab.google fix tools and then flow. And in here, see, this is that one we just created over here. But if you want, so you can just click on that create new over here. So go to that create new, and this will just show up over here. Okay. And in here, simply what you can do, you can just change it to this. There is a many option actually. So either you want to directly generate text to video, or ingredient to video, or create image. But yeah, I'm just using this time this to frame to video, so that I can make it a consistent. So I can use this. Okay. And then once you use this, so there is a two options. See, this is a first frame, this is a last frame. So if you want to generate a video to first frame to last frame, so that end of this video to show this last frame and starting for this first frame, so you can do that. But yeah, I'll just this time I'll take that first frame, which I just already created. So yeah, this is that one which I just generated from my bisque over here. So I take this and go back here and just add it over here. And once you add it here, simply you can take this visual, right, and copy this and simply paste it. Yeah, now I have that one scene, right, which has this, and also this should be a visualization, and I'll say did that, and this is the dialogues, right? And simply I can hit enter, and now see, I have only 20 credit laps for the day, right? So yeah, I'll show you. I'm not generating all the video, but I'll show you the process, one or two videos. Okay, now see, after some time it's just generated with this 8 second, because it is a limitation each video if it is using free. And once you run this, if it is play, see.
In a world collapsing under broken code, I must fix this before everything shuts down. In a world
Right,
collapsing,
see how easily create a video along with the audio and proper visualization, right? Similar, if you want to extend, now I have too many video scenes over here, right? So how we can do that further, so that you can just simply, you can have this option, right? So see, there's option which have add to scenes. There's a one option. Another one also, you can just simply use, take the last scenes over here from here, right, and take the screenshot, and then again just put over here, like upload over here, and then give that second scenes, copy over here, and then paste it. There's a one option. Okay, now another option is also we have, if you click the add scenes. So once you click add scenes, now see, it is just going to this screen builder. Okay, so in the scene builder, okay, so if you go to the scene builder over here, now see, they are flexibility to see whatever we have. And if you want to if you want to keep this video to till here, or till here, whatever things, you can just hit that. And then also you can just add over here, there's a many option to jump, extend. If you want to jump to this or extend to this video to do directly, also you can do that. But yeah, for that actually might be this this model is not sufficient. We have to use another model, right? So yeah, I think that you can just try, but as of now I'll just show you how we can generate to next video to here. So what I can do, simply if you go to the last scenes over here, see, this is my last scenes, right? And simply click on this add button. Okay, so once you click the add button, so it will save to as a save frame as a asset. Okay, so let me save it. So now see, it is just trying to save it over here. Okay, cool. Now see, I just save it over here. This is the last one. So if I just select this, okay, and once you select, now it will select over here. Now you can just simply give this your second prompt over here, copy this, and simply you can just paste it over here and simply hit enter. So what have to do over here then, so whatever the next video, it will generate to next. Okay, so I'm not going to generate because might be my credit will lose over here. So yeah, this is that process. So one by one you can just generate it to one by one, and you can add all the scenes as like I did. Okay, now see, this is that video, all video which I just created one by one. Take the last frame, it's like that, and then it just got created everything. And yeah, one last thing actually I would like to show you, like in here, frame to video. So somehow sometime actually if you face this issue, like for example, sorry, not this one. So yeah, see, as this video, uh okay, so this is not okay, so this is that video. Suppose it is showing that now this in the last, see, in the last frame you can see there is a no face. So definitely it should be create like this way, but once you moving back, so it tell like, okay, what is that, face to show in the end of that frame, right? So in this case actually you can utilize over here, like whatever frame you want to show in the end. So your first frame should be of this, right, and last frame would be like this. So let me show you how we can do that. Simply I just take it everything over here, right? So I'll show you the last frame, first frame would be yeah, this one is the last frame from that start frame, but last frame would be on that, this one or whatever actually you want, like okay, happiness or something like that, right? So you can just add, and then you can just give your prompt so that it will just take the start frame and then end frame to whatever things you want. So like this way actually you can just generate it. And also if you generated it is wrongly, like if you want to some clips you want to delete, like for example this one, right? So this one you want to delete it, so you can just go to this manage section and you can just delete that last section. Okay, but yeah, I'll just keep it this so I'm not going to delete. Let me show you like how look like to play this complete video. So yeah, play it that.
In a world collapsing under broken code,
I must fix this before everything shuts down.
If I rewrite the core algorithm, I can stabilize the network.
Warning, time is running out.
Initiating quantum patch. Hold together, world!
Every keystroke decides humanity's fate.
Stability restored. Global systems rebooting.
Yes! The program lives again.
One programmer, one code, saved the world.
One programmer, one code, saved the world.
Programming isn't just code, it's hope.
in a world collapsing under
So yeah,
broken
like this way actually you can generate your video, right? But yeah, definitely every free things have some limitations. So yeah, as of now it is free, so you can just try and create your own videos with the story. So yeah, that pretty much good for this session. Anything you want, so please let me know in my comments section. So thank you, have a nice day, and don't forget to like, subscribe and share.